it's Dr. Neva. Just a quick video to say there's a saying, 7 times rise, 7 times fall. Meaning there are going to be times in life where you're going to fall down. Things are not going to work out right for you. And versus staying down, you got to pick yourself back up. You see, nothing is just going to work always perfectly in your life, right? And you're going to get knocked down. It's kind of like that sports. You know, you're not going to win all the matches. So it's up to you to get up, try again. And if you fall down, get back up. The sad thing about it is sometimes we are so defeated. We feel, this thing within us that says, we're tired. I've been there. I've gone through that. Many a times, there are things that I've tried. It may not work out the way that I wanted to. It may not yield the income that I wanted, but I have to stay strong. And I have to remember, there's a reason why I started in the first place. And I have to stay positive. And I use that word a lot. Stay positive, stay focused, and try again. Some of the things that knock us down is, someone may say, the words that people may use that may not give us the strength to move on. So if you have fallen down and you got back up and you got knocked down again and you got back up, keep trying. If it doesn't work, look at what you have. And maybe there's another way that you can do it better and do it better. It's okay. Don't look at what people or how people are going to judge you and what they're going to think about you. It's not about them. It's about you. What's within you. Not about them. All right, guys? So if you're at this point where you need that strength to get back up and start, do it. And it's okay sometimes to just breathe, take a break. Take a break and say, all right, I'm tired. It's fine. But as soon as you get that energy, get back up. And just the mind is very powerful. If the mind says you can't, that's going to be you can't. And if the mind says you can, you can. A lot of successful people, what is it within them? They can. And they use that, yes, I can, to keep moving on. And I'm going to use that moment at this time. Yes, I can. Because no matter how I get knocked down, I get back up. Because I strongly believe that I can. I am unstoppable. I believe in me, and I also believe in you. So stay strong, all right, guys? Until next time, bye-bye.